Mahindra Thar is a popular off-road SUV, known for its rugged design and capability. While it offers several advantages, there are also some potential drawbacks or cons associated with the vehicle. Ride quality. The Thar is primarily designed for off-road adventures, and as a result, it may not provide the smoothest ride on regular roads. The suspension is tuned for off-roading, which can lead to a bumpy and slightly uncomfortable ride on uneven surfaces. Noise and vibrations. Due to its robust build and off-road oriented design, the Thar can produce considerable noise and vibrations, especially at higher speeds or on rough terrains. This might affect the overall comfort level of passengers during long drives. Cabin space and comfort. While the Thar offers a spacious cabin for its size, it may not be as comfortable for rear seat passengers, especially on longer journeys. Legroom and headroom for rear passengers can be slightly limited, and the seats may lack sufficient cushioning for extended periods of sitting. Fuel efficiency. The Thar's powerful engine and four-wheel drive system consume more fuel compared to smaller, more fuel-efficient vehicles. If fuel efficiency is priority for you, the Thar may not be the best choice. Limited practicality. The Thar's design prioritizes off-road capabilities and ruggedness over practicality for day-to-use use. It has a relatively small boot space and limited storage options, making it less suitable for carrying large amounts of luggage or transporting several passengers. Safety features. While the Thar offers essential safety features like dual front airbags and ABS, anti-lock braking system, the ABD, electronic brake force distribution, it may not match the safety standards and features offered by some modern CUVs in its price range. Buyers who prioritize advanced safety technologies might find the Thar lacking in its aspect.